Welcome to Eastern Paradigm. I am Xavier Basumatari. Nitish Kumar to take oath as Bihar CM with BJP support, ending Grand Alliance in a dramatic turn of events. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has decided to end his alliance with the RJD and the India bloc and join hands with the BJP to form a new government in the state. As per information received from internal sources, Nitish Kumar will take oath as the Chief Minister for the ninth time on Sunday, 28 January, with BJP leader Sushil Kumar Modi as his deputy. Nitish Kumar's move came after he expressed his dissatisfaction with the India bloc's leadership and the corruption charges against his deputy and RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav, who refused to resign despite the Chief Minister's demand. Nitish Kumar submitted his resignation to the governor on Friday evening and sought the BJP support to form the government. The BJP, which had been in opposition in Bihar since 2015, welcomed Nitish Kumar's back into the NDA and offered him unconditional support and a stable government. The BJP also agreed to give 2 deputy chief minister posts to the JDU as well as a share of cabinet berths and key portfolios. The RJD and the Congress, the other partners of the Grand Alliance, accused Nitish Kumar of betraying the people's mandate and the secular values of the Grand Alliance. They also claimed that Nitish Kumar was under pressure from the BJP and the CBI to switch sides. They have challenged Nitish Kumar's move in the Supreme Court, alleging that he violated the anti-defection law and the constitutional norms. They have also sought a stay on his oath-taking ceremony. The RJD has also announced that it will stage a protest outside the Raj Bhavan on Sunday, when Nitish Kumar is scheduled to take oath. The RJD has also called for a statewide bandh on Monday to oppose Nitish Kumar's decision. The political developments in Bihar have sent shockwaves across the country as they have implications for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in 2024. The India bloc, which was formed to counter the BJP's dominance, has suffered a major setback with the loss of Nitish Kumar, who was seen as a potential prime ministerial candidate. The BJP, on the other hand, has gained an advantage by securing a key ally in Bihar, which has 40 parliamentary seats. That's all for today's news. For more updates, stay tuned with Eastern Paradigm.